y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Ari and I'm back with another video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get straight into this video. So in today's video, as y'all can tell by the title, we are reviewing this hair, but it's not an initial review. We're actually gonna do my 4-month update. So I wrote some notes down on my iPad just so I could get everything, just so y'all know what I do with my hair, so that y'all, maybe if y'all do go ahead and buy the hair, like y'all can have the same experience as close as possible, you know. So as y'all can see, the hair is still in great tact, y'all know, but I still think the hair looks amazing. All right, I want to start with a disclaimer that yes, I did buy this hair. You know, companies send me hair, but this is something I was just like, I always purchase from here. This is my go-to hair. So yes, I did buy this hair, and it's about $360. I can't remember, but I will leave a screenshot of what I paid for it. And also, this is my 4-month update, so I have had this hair sewn in twice, and I've had it for 4 months now. So with that aside, with all my disclaimers, or you know, whatever they're called, we're gonna get straight into it. So the length of the hair is 20, 22, and 24, and they are all straight hair bundles. This is what the thickness will look like. It's pretty full to me if you ask me. And then this is the ends of the hair. I always keep a curl in my hair. I don't know why, that's just my thing. But even if you like, well, I'll try to zoom in instead of like getting super close. But even when you pull it out, it's like no breakage. It's still true to length. It still comes in my lap when I pull it down. Also the shedding. Oh, where's my brush? Oh, it's next to me. I usually never, well, I told y'all in the last video, I just don't clean my brushes because this hair, it just doesn't, it's not one of those things where I'm like, oh, I need to pull my hair out. And this, as y'all can see, there is hair in there. So of course there's gonna be some hair. I hope y'all can see that. Maybe it'll focus. But yeah, there's some hair in there, but I don't remember the last time I pulled this out. And I use this brush every day. Like I wake up, take my bonnet off, and brush my hair out. So to me, what, like, you know what to tell. I don't know, some of the videos, some of the comments under the videos like, oh, the hair just constantly sheds. I'm like, what hair? Like, what did y'all get? Like, I don't know. It's so weird how two people can experience completely different things. So that's what my brush looked like, and my hair is still super, super full. Like, this is just one side. So I don't know about the shedding, but I know that my hair did not shed, and I love that so much. That was good. That was that. The shedding, I would give it an A+. There was no shedding for me at all. The smell, there's no smell. Even when, okay, so you know when like people flat iron their hair and you're like, oh, it smells like flat iron. Like, to me, this doesn't really even have that smell. Like, it just smells like hair. Like, I don't know what, y'all know what hair smells like. It just smells like hair. Like, it doesn't smell like a shampoo or anything, but it doesn't have that like, oh my gosh, you just put a flat iron on there, or like you curled it or something. So I love that so much, because that's like one of the smells it cringes me. Like when I like, even my real hair, like if I blow dry it and go to straighten it, and it, like my mom's like, oh, you need to turn the vents on, because like that smell, this hair doesn't have that. So I like that. It cringes me when a hair has smells, when hair has smells. So I'm so glad that this didn't. And the tingling, as y'all can see, it doesn't tingle. The brush is, like I said, clear with a few little stragglies that came, but that's normal. Like, hair's not gonna shed, but like my stuff ain't falling out. So yeah, I'll say the tingling was great too. Except, oh my gosh, I almost lied. No, when I first got this hair, oh my gosh, I almost forgot this part. I used to, like, I was wearing, like, my thing is curls. Like, I'm always gonna have curls in my hair, even when I like, unless a company is like, please don't curl the hair, I'm gonna curl my hair. Like, if they sent me the hair and there's like restrictions. So I had this hair curl, like I was wearing my flexi rods, like waking up in the morning, and then like throughout the middle of the day, it would like be one single piece of hair from a different curl would like loop into another curl, and then it would like, literally I couldn't go like this because the curls were like curled into each other. I wish y'all could see. And I'm like, I was so frustrated. I literally was like, I'm not sitting here and gonna untangle this. I literally took it out and I just ripped it. And well, you still can't even tell that I had ripped that piece out somewhere. That happened so long ago. Like 4 months ago it happened when I first did the my first sewing. So that did tingle. I almost lied when I said it didn't tingle. That was that one time, and I was like, oh hell no, like we need to figure this out. So I had to run my fingers through it and like, you know, get them in a single curl and like, you know, just not the big curls, because I guess this hair just, it might be too fine. I really don't know what that was about, but it made me so mad. Okay, so I'm gonna get into, that was my criteria, like the basic criteria of like what makes hair good hair. So I'm gonna get into what I do to maintain the good hair, because you know, like based on what you do and like your upkeep is how your product is gonna last. So I just want to share with y'all what I do. And like also one thing I do think also a lot of people buy, because I think my best friend bought like some body wave hair, and I do think that the hair, the texture of the hair that you buy also depends too. I only buy straight hair from her. I only buy straight hair from everybody. I bought body wave hair one time in my life and I didn't like it, but this is straight hair. This is what I do for straight hair, not the body wave, not the exotic curl, none of that. So I use the Organics or OGX shampoo and conditioner. I'll leave a picture right here so y'all can see what that, the brown bottle, I think it's like the keratin one or something, but I'm gonna leave a picture of it right here. I only use that. I don't use it on my leave out. I use something else on my leave out, but on my bundles, I will only wash my hair with that shampoo and conditioner. Next, I do not use any products. I don't put oils, I don't put heat protectant, I don't put anything in this hair because I just don't like that. Not because like, you can't, but I just do not like that feeling of like, that it just feels weighed down. If I put anything on hair, I don't even put like a lot of stuff on my hair, just like handmade oils from like my hairstylist that she makes, stuff like that. But like I just don't like that feeling when you run your fingers through hair, you can feel something. So I like it to feel dry. Not I like my hair to feel dry, but I don't like my hair to feel dry. I just don't like it to feel like way down, or like, I don't know the word for it, but like super producty. That's definitely not the word. But every night, oh, where is it? It's not in reach, but every night I sleep with a silk scarf every single night. I wash my hair every 2 weeks. So every 2 weeks faithfully. And I think it's more of like, because I have leave out, so if my real hair gets dirty, I'm like, oh my gosh, like I just need to wash it all. And so like that keeps me in the routine of every 2 weeks, because my hair is so serious about like every 2 weeks we gonna be dirty. So I have to just keep up with it that way. And I wash it in, like I wash my leave out like in the sink, because I can like really scrub and like not get my braids wet. But then when I'm in the shower, I'll just like let the water run on it, and I'll like soap it up, braid it, soap it up, braid it, and then wash out each side. And that's with the OGX. I feel like it's called Organics though, I don't know, but I always say both of the things because I don't sound too dumb. But yeah, I also treat this like it's my real hair. Like aside from when I said that there was that tingle in there and I just ripped it out, because I could not get it out. But other than that, like, and when I say treat it like your real hair, I'm like, you wouldn't like just start brushing your hair like from here. I would like brush it from the tips to the root of my hair. Of course, like I said, I sleep with the bonnet. I wear flexi rods. Like that even goes into my next one. Like when I want to wear curls in my hair, I put flexi rods in my hair, so I don't have to keep, what's it called, like putting heat on it and like curling it every single day. So I like just really treat it like it's my hair. Like even if I'm like, okay, maybe it might need like a little zhuzh, there's this it's like it's not a Moroccan oil, is it Moroccan? I think it is Moroccan oil by Josie Moran. She has that brand at Sephora. I use her Moroccan oil, and I'll like, if I want, I'll like put it on the ends. But just stuff that's like upkeep, natural upkeep of your hair. That's what I do with my hair, and that does help with the vitality and like length retention and everything that goes into keeping your hair looking nice. So other than that, I don't do much with my hair. Like that's just what, like 4 or 5 things that you know, make it stay nice looking. But I can say that I don't know what you need to do for the body wave or the exotic curl, but I do know the straight hair, that this is stuff that I've always done. Oh, out of breath. Even if you watch my my later videos that I posted, I think I posted one like 2 or 3 years ago when I first ordered, I had ordered that hair and I put it in. I'll let you guys know like what I thought about it. I still do the same things from that day. So from that video, I still do them today. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys go ahead and order the hair yourself if you still decide that this is something you want to do, because I know a lot of people in the comments were like saying like I'm not ordering from them, or like I heard this and that, and I'm like, you know, you can't tell anybody what to do with their money, but I could tell you guys what I did with my money and how I felt about it. So I hope this helped you guys make a decision. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video and tuning in with me. If you haven't already, please hit the like button and leave a comment down below and let me know your experience with kendras. Let me know even if you got the other textures, because that's something I've never experienced. So I wanted to know what you guys thought about that. Yeah, please hit the subscribe button. Also, that really helps my channel and it helps you guys stay notified of when I post new videos. And if you're not already, follow me on Instagram at aria.dominique. I'll leave it right here, just how it's spelled out. Yeah, and so I'll see you guys on my next one.